starting out at 4 Peaks. Got the all-new front forks with the MX Tech Lucky system, Slavens Mule setup. Riding through these rocks and stuff already. It's like a Cadillac compared to what it was. Sand sucks. The bike is 100%, 200% more controllable than what it was before. I can actually ride it now. Steering, it tracks better, doesn't get bounced out of ruts. Rocks don't throw me all over the place.
The road down. No, at first he didn't say go take the first.
So we're lost.
Yeah, because when he first said where the help line was, the road goes to the main line. He said go by that white truck. Yeah, we never even got this. Yeah, we did.
Back to the road because we went down that wash down there where we got directions we didn't know or understand, so we were lost. This was all burned out here, started on fire and then just reopened about a year ago, so it's pretty like a dead desert, imagine that.
This dumbass has long johns and shit on.
I know.
Fucking retard.
Hell yeah. So we don't know where the trail is, so we're just kind of get down to that wash down there. Still haven't found the trail. We're still in like the shooting range. He pointed to that one random mountain, I think right here, 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Right there.
I thought he said that. Right there.
Ah, here we go. Yeah, these are some trails up there, but they're all sand and shit. I don't know. You can see a bunch of shit now. Yeah, this place looks pretty cool. Kind of check it out over here. King of the world. Those guys are way over there. I don't know if you can. There's no zoom on the GoPro, so you can't see them. Oh my god. I have to go chase them down. Wow, it's a lot steeper than it looks. Sand, man. Shit sucks. Try climbing that. really soft. Now he's gonna try the same line I tried to go up it, but speed. And try that same line. Well, if he wouldn't have got thrown over, I think he would have made it. Oh, yeah. It's a dried up lake bed. Yeah, I'm not riding through that shit. Stuck over on this side of the river because I don't want to drive across it. My luck, I'll get stuck, hung up on something in there, flip over. It's a nightmare. I hate water. I kind of think this trip was a wash because spent most of the day riding up and down the damn sand wash. Never really found any trails. Kind of sucks. Yeah, this shit's sand. Riding in sand is probably the worst thing in the world. It's actually more comfortable to stand too now, man. We have absolutely no idea where we're at. We have absolutely no idea where we're going. I guess it kind of makes it adventurous. Trucks way over. Need to run. Super steep downhill here. Holy shit. Like that would have just threw me sideways. You can actually steer. The softball sized rocks, you can float over them like nothing. This suspension is so awesome now. I can't get over how cool it is. Coming up to another little hill here. Gear high. Just smashed my ankle. That was awesome. Easy way up. back to the burnt desert. So when I come back here, yeah, but I definitely have to do some research and find out where the actual trails are, because we didn't find shit today. Sand washes suck. Suspension works awesome on this. Handlebars work great. Love them. I can stand comfortable. Here's our get up. Got my Chinese front disc guard, Chinese back one. Oh yeah, will burn out.